In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete all your Instagram posts at once. There could be various reasons why someone might delete all their Instagram posts. It could be a desire for a fresh start, to curate their online presence differently, or to remove content they no longer feel represents them. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and activity. On this page, you will have to select on this option of your activity. Navigate onto the section of content you shared. Head into posts. You will see all your posts ever since you started uploading. To delete all, tap on select and mark them all. Then tap right here on delete. All the selected posts will get deleted permanently from your Instagram. This option can't be undone. That's how easy it is to delete all your Instagram posts at once. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.